Hey there folks! Today we're diving into a common, yet intriguing problem many Mac users might encounter. Picture this. You're casually exploring your system files when you stumble upon the local dictionary and in-text files in the library spelling directory. The burning question arises. What's the deal with these files? And why do some words end up in one file while others end up in another? Let's unravel this interesting problem together. In addressing this problem, the key lies in understanding the significance of the in file. As it turns out, the string and represents the ISO 639-1 code for English language text. Apple's approach involves utilizing different files for various locales, incorporating language and region designators such as N_US or N_GB. This enables applications to access language-specific dictionaries, facilitating accurate spell check suggestions tailored to different linguistic nuances. Now, onto the solution. The in file serves as a repository for words specific to the English language, enabling efficient spell checking within an English context. Conversely, the local dictionary houses custom words irrespective of language, ensuring a comprehensive spell checking database. Apple's design likely segregates words based on language to enhance spell check accuracy across multilingual contexts, a testament to their meticulous approach to user experience. In summary, we've uncovered the mystery behind the in and local dictionary files, shedding light on Apple's sophisticated framework for language-specific spell checking. I hope you found this exploration as enlightening as I did. Remember to hit subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of tech.